Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usimbut Shongknor kayeng dorbar tauan kejela Timothy di Shira hakakat waitrik uyayong araja apusan ulalet mi Khmat kayeng kashari Chief Judicial Magistrate Shillong bat ya kisakhi ban syong bishar ya kemukot duma ba umudoi persya ya ki arngut kinong pendonkam social media. Hakani kemukot duma Deputy Speaker uladawa ya kabai Mynraiñ Khmat Bamarshis pa Klur nakini ki arngut kinong pendonkam social media namar ka jing pensapriang ya ki jing tip babakla ha kabayde ber ka jing ai jing kren jong u hapo ka yeng dor bar tauan bayade ber ka jing pelong ya ka tura kum ka winter capital ka jela habakren che kinong thok khubor ha ka khat waitrik uyayong arja apusan unong yasat an sujit de ulaong mentakasi usembut Shongknor ka jela ula ai ya ka jing batai ne ka sakhi hapo ka kendon laispa arpulai jong ka BNSS bat yakini ki jing kren jong u labu jing tho bat ka yeng ka shari kan sa shong bishar ya ka unong ya sad an ulaong bakidan artli ki mukot duma bala mudoi da Deputy Speaker kawai ka kambamman bat kawai ka de ka civil bamentagasi kilit ban ya kren ya ka mukot duma kambamman habakli laki don ne em ya ka jing yapan bet ne ka jing kren suthu jingmut ya ka ne ka kam shabar hayeng ka shari Deputy Speaker ulaong baka numdan shu ka jing yapan bet ne ka jing kren suthu jingmut namar kini ki arngot kinong le social media kim shim lapen I satya bakila suthu ya ka jing le bakla ka jongki da ka bakan tho pen tho bria ya u unong ya sat an usujit de ulaong ru ba omtang bakila penja burom ya ubrio henry kila pen tho bria wat ya ka yeng ka sem ka jong u barok away ula benrap ru da ka baong ba manu ru kidon ya ka hok ban penpau ya ka jing sngo jongki ha kinu ki kam ki bami ha ki rinsan social media henry kam dei pat ban penbong ne penja burom yenu ru
As my client, Mr. T.200, Honorable Deputy Speaker of Meghalaya, he has given his statement under Section 323 of BNSS, and his statement has been recorded. Now court will examine in the criminal proceeding. His statement will be examined, and then the court will issue process if they are satisfied that there is a defamation against my client.
Earlier, the court is already summoned, no? This YouTuber.
No, there are two cases. If you recollect, there are two cases. One is the civil case and one is the criminal. Today, you are talking about the criminal case. Earlier, it was the civil case where we have claimed a compensation for defaming my client, 200 crores, 100 crores from each of the accused people. And in that defamation, in this civil defamation, we have demanded 100 crores from each of the respondent. That is Mikanchi and Balshrang.
Okay. So the court today only recorded the
statement of my client.
Oh.
Sir, is there any talks between you and these YouTubers, whether things can be resolved immediately without?
But they never defend. They said that they don't have any what is called remorse, no regret for them for having made that statement. So how can we say come into a compromise? There will be no compromise. And moreover, it has damaged my image so much that I have to think twice to come to the compromise. And perhaps I may not be able to come to the compromise.
It has not only defamed my client, it has also defamed his entire family and his entire Dolbert Shila family, the Maharis. They are all aggrieved with this kind of YouTubers who has published the news. Well, see, everyone has the right for giving their own opinions in different various matters which comes up for discussion in the social platform. But without hurting the sentiment, without defaming someone, anyone can say anything, but not by defaming someone. That's all. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.